Hey guys, Summers Woodworking is holding its 8th annual Birdhouse Challenge contest. All you have to do is produce a video showing you making a birdhouse with the video no longer than 10 minutes in length. Send it to summerswoodworking@gmail.com to be entered. What I want you to do is make this birdhouse friendly and safe. That way you don't not contaminating any birds or killing anything. We want this safe for everything. Unless you note to me stating that it's just an ornament, and then we'll let it go at that. Anyway, we got sponsors from Fast Cab. They're doing the KISS drill bit system. We got Clearview Cyclones. They're donating Easy Bar Pro. Jim Red is donating 5 prizes worth $50 each to each contestant. I'll have a link down in the description to their store so you can pick out what you'd like. Type Bond. They're donating a gallon of Type Bond 3 along with a type brush. If I get any more sponsors along the way until the end of this contest, I'll do an update video letting you know what category I'm going to choose for first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So keep looking out for the upload videos or updates. Just go out and have some fun in your shop. Make a cool looking birdhouse. I don't care how you make it. You can use a CNC machine. You can use a lathe. You can use traditional tools. You can use whatever to build this birdhouse. I'm going to judge on creativity, authenticity, and uniqueness. So, get out there and have some fun, okay? Now remember, send your video links to summerswoodworking@gmail.com. You should title your video Summers Woodworking's 8th Annual Birdhouse Challenge Contest. Also, in your video, I want you to have it placed somewhere, letting people know that it's for the contest. You don't have to put a sign or anything on the birdhouse itself. That way, if you want to sell it to somebody in the future, you're not having to remove all that. So, I'm making it simple. Just put it in the video that it's for this annual contest, and I want it titled the way I just told you. Summers Woodworking's 8th Annual Birdhouse Challenge Contest. And like I said, send me the link to your video at summerswoodworking@gmail.com and have fun. So stay safe, happy woodworking. I'll see you later.